Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Back to Chinese Roots, 成语解读, the unpacking of Chinese idioms. Today, we will be learning a Chinese idiom, also known as a 成语. Our 成语 for today is 饮水思源. It is pronounced as 饮水思源. It is commonly used to remind people to be grateful and to remember their roots. Let's first break down the meaning of each word. 饮 means to drink. 水 means water. 思 means to think or to remember. 源 means source or origin. So literally, 饮水思源 means when you drink water, think of its source. This idiom reminds us that when we enjoy the results of something, we should remember where it came from and the people who made it possible. It teaches us to live with gratitude, humility, and respect for our origins. When you enjoy success, remember those who supported you. When life becomes comfortable, remember the struggles that shaped you. And when you progress far in life, remember where you came from, your humble beginnings. When drinking water, remember its source. It is a reminder to live with gratitude and humility always. The 成语饮水思源 originates from a famous poem written during the Northern and Southern Dynasty period by the poet Yu Xing. The original line comes from his work 直调曲, which is a set of 6 poems. In the 6th poem, there is a sentence that says 落其实者思其树, 饮其流者怀其源. This means those who eat the fruit should think of the tree. Those who drink from the stream should cherish its source. Over time, the second half of this line was condensed into the idiom 饮水思源. Yu Xing originally lived in the southern part of China and served as an official there. Later in his life, due to political changes and war, he was forced to move north and could no longer return to his homeland. Although he achieved status and recognition in the north, he spent the rest of his life longing deeply for his homeland. It was from this personal experience that he wrote the line 饮其流者怀其源. Those who drink the flowing water should remember its source. Yu Xing's personal exile gave the phrase its deep emotional weight, the heartache of being far from home. Today, we use this idiom more broadly as a call to stay humble, reminding us to honor the people and the foundations that made our current success possible. Here are some examples of how to use this 成语 in a sentence. Example 1. 我们享受成果时，要饮水思源，不忘前人的努力。As we enjoy the results of our labor, we must practice gratitude and remember the efforts of those who laid the foundation before us. Example 2. 即便他在商界取得了巨大成功，依然时刻饮水思源，时常回归曾经提拔过他的老上司。Even after achieving great success in business, he remained mindful of his beginnings and often showed gratitude to his former boss who mentored and promoted him. This is today's 成语饮水思源. Thank you for watching 成语解读. See you in the next episode. 下次见.